acquired, as well as the Desty Black, we managed out of pure luck to acquire a completely new set of gauges for this side. Now I don't actually need a gearbox temperature one,
which is the top one on the right,
but it might be easier for us to swap the module than it is to take both gauges out and put the gauge in this one and mess about like that. Quite appropriate, this action is accompanied by the National Express song, which I'm sure will get it banned somewhere. I never liked coming out this module. Come on. Come on. There we go. Oh. There. Come on. National Express.
Talks.
It's not late at night or anything like that. Fancy putting the horn on there like that. I think it's going to be that bit. National Express. National Express. Not one smaller. National Express. National Express. If this doesn't come out easily, then we won't be doing a module swap.
theoretically, couldn't that just shove in?
Should do, but this doesn't shove out.
It might be.
Oh, there we go. Hang on, we got movement. May have just taken that to bits for no reason.
Yep.
For fuck's sake.
Yep, you've took it to bits for no reason.
Oh, we'll put it back together.
Here's your new module, sir. So plug it in.
Just turn the lights off. Hey, we have battery gauges. That's a different gauge. Oh no, it's just the same.
It's the exact same gauge.
Warning horn must be off in 23 hours. So does it count that horn?
Whoops!
Like this should fit nice and snugly back in there.
The lights on that? No.
No. I'll take the top off in a minute and put that light bulb in. Hang on.
That's probably what the rattle is. But the gauges are actually working. So, interesting.
That means there's the possibility that the oil gauge, although it's been blanked off, is actually behind there still. Not behind that one, but it's actually there and the sensor does work. A lot of times the bus companies, when the sensors stop working or the gauge stops working, rather than repairing it, they just blank it off. A lot of the big bus companies blank the fuel gauges off because it's easier. Let's put some lights in here.
2 screws for the perspex as well. And then you've not got that reverse horn, must be off job. 2 screws holding the perspex in. So what I was thinking was, if the oil gauge isn't in there,
It won't be in here. All blanked off.
we can just switch the tops, can't we?
Although that's a nicer top.
But you are stickered up.
It's a nicer top because that's actually got these blanking plates in it.
That's got a blanking plate in.
No, it's got its blanking dials in it rather than this stupid plate. There you go. Right, so I need my little top bit out. Now which gauge should we have light up? First of all, what is the button in that? Right, we need a screw for that one and a screw for that one. Which
Should be somewhere around. Is it them ones?
Yeah, I think so. The other thing is you find is you buy a part, because you can't get brand spanking new parts for a lot of this, is you end up taking several bits to your part to make one good bit. I'm interested to know what the rattling noise is. That's that tightened up. Oh, he's put crossheads in this. Well, there's been crossheads in it rather than Torx. Do you know what I like? Is you can tell it's old bulbs and it's got hot in there because the colour of the plastic's changed. Right, so back to the Phillips because
Gives it more burn effect.
for some reason the rest of it's in Phillips. Look at this, I'm putting all
See on the old one at the top, the nice scorch marks from the light bulbs.
I tried getting the 24 volt LED ones, but they don't seem to know about the part numbers. That's a little bit broken.
That'll be a fiver coming back.
Doing about the engine has to turn it off and on. Changes its revs.
Now you just need one for the battery.
Yeah, well, I'm ordering a metric shit to the board anyway, aren't I? With all the switches. Well, do you see that then? We know the gearbox temperature light works. Because it flicked on. On Friday night, let's take away you dig there. That gauge is a lot clearer than the one I had. It's lit up a lot better. Light up wise, you know. I like Keen's set because he's got that a little, you know, one of them little 5-volt battery jobs. It's better than this. We got 28 volts, which is not far off actually. It's 27 down there. Sort of makes my cheap
27.8 is right.
Sort of makes my cheap Chinese knockoff battery gauge down there completely pointless.
Which is that?
Shut the doors. Have the light goes out. Yeah, that is much clearer than that gauge. I might just keep that at parts. Just sell it as parts. Anyway, look, the other thing, the gear selector that actually lights up. Right. And the reverse lights work still. Right. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed that little Patreon extra, because we didn't record that for everyone. We'll just do it as an update for everyone. I'm going to try and not sound the horn now, because it's some time in now. And we're going to get on.
23.26 to be exact. 23.26.
Fits. Physical fits. Keeps dropping to 25 volts. Never mind. Right, let's get tidied up.
Right, thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching. Let's